I built this complete interactive, deep work and focus dashboard using Claude Design. From beautiful, responsive UI heat maps to live tracking charts, the execution is incredibly smooth. You can easily prototype rich features like logging a manual work session and instantly updating numbers. Here's how I put it together. First, we head over to Claude Design. It's a powerful tool built specifically for spinning up realistic prototypes with ease. I selected the prototype template, threw in my custom design system, and pasted a detailed layout prompt. The prompt covered everything: the exact grid layout, aesthetic guidelines, and interactive elements. Then, I just hit create. Within moments, it generated a beautiful layout. The interactive states work right out of the box, letting you toggle focus statuses seamlessly. To refine it, I left feedback requesting an extra session logging component so users can actively input how they spend their time. Claude updated the interface beautifully, delivering a functional, clean section exactly where I wanted it. Once you're happy with the layout, you can export the full interactive standalone project or download the project archive directly. And the best part? The system theme toggle perfectly adjusts the entire canvas instantly. If you want to learn more ways you can use Claude Design, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you in the next one.